Hexagon is a technology company, unleashing the power of autonomy to measure and improve what industry needs most. Productivity, efficiency, quality, lower cost, less waste. We believe that industry can save our world, that it can be the solution instead of the problem, and that global commerce is the path to a sustainable planet. Hexagon is intent on making this a reality by putting data to work autonomously to measure progress and improve outcomes. Our technologies digitally capture and measure all things in all places. They position, track, and navigate anything. They dimensionally design whatever you want to create, from facilities to evacuation plans. Simulate billions of real-world scenarios. Deliver location intelligence about anything, anywhere. Together, these technologies fuse the physical world with the digital. They empower us to make that giant leap beyond automation to autonomous. Because autonomy is data doing its best work. Yes, it will drive our cars, yet it will do so much more. It will carefully protect our citizens and nations, operate complex assets and facilities reliably, accurately construct buildings and infrastructure, manufacture products and goods intelligently, responsibly produce from our mines to our farms. Data will do all of these things autonomously. When industry embraces this, sustainable outcomes will follow. Hexagon, empowering an autonomous future.
Pioneering solutions and exceptional Swiss craftsmanship for a century. Leica Geosystems has defined and continues to revolutionize measurement and positioning technologies. Today, professionals in urban development, building construction, infrastructure, public safety, and manufacturing worldwide rely on Leica Geosystems' precise instruments, sophisticated software, and trusted services to help them capture, analyze, and present spatial information. And here, in Heerbrugg, Switzerland, is where it all started. What began 100 years ago as Wild Heerbrugg is now Leica Geosystems, part of Hexagon, a globally recognized brand, founded by Robert Helbling, the surveyor and explorer, Jacob Schmidheiny, the entrepreneur, and Henrik Wild, the engineer, who developed the T2, the world's first truly portable theodolite. Just a few years later, the fledgling factory, Wild Heerbrugg, developed an A2 autograph, started producing the iconic Wild N3 precision level, and introduced their first aerial camera, the C2. In 1932, the Wild C12 stereomatic camera was launched. For decades, countless police departments used such instruments. In the late 1930s, the factory grew further to meet the Swiss Army's demand for better optical instruments. In 1942, Wild Heerbrugg entered the drawing instruments market with its high-quality precision drawing sets of stainless steel, and soon after launched its first two laboratory and research microscopes, the M9 and the M10. During the 1960s, at the time of the space race, Wild Heerbrugg reached for new horizons, satellite geodesy. Its special BC4 ballistic camera made it possible for the first time to establish a precise geodetic connection of all continents. And so, the race for innovation and quality continued. Surveying was revolutionized by electronic distance measuring instruments such as the Wild DI-50. In 1985, Wild partnered with Magnavox Corporation to launch the first GPS receiver for surveying applications, Wild WM101. In 1993, the company pioneered a completely new distance measuring technology under the brand Leica Disto, the first handheld laser distance meter. And in 2001, Leica Geosystems purchased Kyra Technologies, adding 3D laser scanning to its portfolio. These pivotal innovations on the verge of the digital age are what make Leica Geosystems widely known as the industry standard Sustainably Thrive. Leica Geosystems, when it has to be right.
As a surveyor, you work with the latest technology total stations, but still, there are situations with the hidden potential for errors and delays. Forget the bubble with the Leica AP20 Autopol, the ultimate smart solution for Leica automated total stations. Leica AP20 makes it possible to measure points without the need to level the pole. Now you can measure more points, easily, faster and more comfortably. And it is even possible to measure points which were not accessible before. Focus on your job and be unstoppable with the AP20 Autopol, the world's smartest pole. Visit our website to learn more. As a surveyor, when making measurements and stakeout tasks in busy environments, you encounter challenges that can jeopardize either the quality or speed of your tasks. Experience new heights in productivity with the Leica AP20 Autopol, the ultimate smart solution for Leica Geosystems automated total stations. When working on busy construction sites with several field crews and multiple instruments, it is crucial that your total station remains focused on the most important thing, your target. The Target ID functionality, which provides automatic target search and identification, ensures that the total station finds your target as quickly as possible, even in the most challenging site conditions. Focus on your job and be unstoppable with the AP20 Autopol, the world's smartest pole. Visit our website to learn more.
For nearly 200 years, we have revolutionized the world of measurement and survey. And now we present to you the new generation. There's a difference between good and right. Good is when instruments are precise. Right is precise and accurate. Right is when it is trouble-free, durable. Right is having a trusted service partner when your investment pays off. Using Auto Height, a revolutionary feature to measure your instrument's height. Getting the job done under extreme conditions. Right is when it's built to last. The new generation of manual total stations, Leica FlexLine series. Find out more at leica-geosystems.com/FlexLine.
Measurement professionals around the world are always faced with a challenge when there are several targets on site. Difficult conditions, such as strong reflections, rain, bright light, and reflective clothing, can influence tracking. To provide ultimate performance, Leica Geosystems has developed the world's first self-learning total stations with ATR+, a completely new, unique, and simple solution. The latest generation of Leica Viva and Leica Nova total stations and multi-stations adapt themselves to site conditions without any user intervention. ATR Plus learns non-relevant targets and automatically excludes them from future searches. For Leica Viva and Leica Nova, there is only one target: yours. No matter who follows you, no matter who crosses your path, no matter if you are in the right light, no matter if you lost touch. Leica Geosystems total stations and multi-stations are always with you, automatically. Experience the new generation of Leica Viva and Leica Nova, the world's first self-learning total stations.
Meet the new Leica Nova MS60. The self-learning multi-station takes sensor fusion to the next level and empowers you to face any challenge. Dive into our measuring technology and discover a new surveying experience. With the Leica Captivate field software, you can inspect and analyze your data directly in the field. The MS60 scans up to 30,000 points per second and helps you set up easily with the new Auto Height feature. Speed up your workflow. Create point clouds instantly on site and visualize them in the 3D viewer for completeness checks. Don't stand and wait. Use the dynamic lock functionality and reliably lock onto moving prisms. Manage all your field data with the Leica Infinity software back in the office. Perform all your measurement tasks with one instrument. The new Leica Nova MS60.
It's been over 20 years since Leica Geosystems launched the first handheld laser distance meter and revolutionized the surveying technology market. Since then, we worked together with business partners and customers to set the standards for productivity of simple and complex measuring applications.